dahil sa technology, 'di ba, mas naging accessible na ang investing. Kasi dati, na-mention din ata ni Boss Rex, wala pang nung wala pang technology, mahirap pa mag-invest. Parang, may na-mention siya sa akin. Ngayon kasi
Oo,
sobrang
paper forms pa nun. Kailangan
ayun.
i-print mo yung application form, hihingi ka sa agent, isa-sign mo lahat, tapos papadala mo, wala pang Lalamove nun. So yung messenger nyo or ipapapick up mo,
Mail pa.
mail pa, kailangan wet signature. So, and you had to have big money, lalo na sa ating international
Oo. Dapat
investments.
malaki daw ata capital before.
Oo, parang $1 million yung minimum for your international instruments. So ngayon, we're in an opportune time. Talagang maganda yung opportunity natin ngayon kasi the markets have changed eh. It's now more accessible to us, mga ka-RFFs. Hindi nga kailangan i-convert eh. Dati, kailangan in dollars ka mag-invest for your international. Ngayon, peso na lang yung invest mo, tapos yung fund provider na yung magko-convert para sa'yo, mag-invest para sa'yo, and ikaw, yun nga, you focus on your profession, your career, and let the fund managers strategize and grow your money for you.